I'm back to another video. Mini 2-litre diesel. The 1.5 diesel will be the same. This is 2016. Now this is the fault code on the screen, the pre-fuel supply. There's another few that come up as well as the math. They are quite permanent, so when you try and delete it, it will come back positive. The drivetrain will also come on. It seems to be a very common issue. When I say common issue, I'm talking about this has been going on for a long time, since 2012, 2010 maybe, I guess, from that age onwards. Common issue on a lot of the BMWs and Minis. On the X1s I've seen a lot as well, that I've read about. So what seems to happen is you're getting these faults, the car goes into limp mode, some smoke, some don't. In this case, a lot of the components have been changed on the car, but it turns out to be, that fault code turns out to be the actual ECU. The reason we say this is because, here we go, so this is the ECU. The reason I say it's the ECU is because I can smell a lot of fuel in there, diesel. I can smell diesel in there, and it's wet as all in there. I can see it already. Some of you may just get a few cranks. Some of you may just get the drivetrain warning 1 or 2 times, and then it'll be permanent the minute you turn it on. Now the problem here is, the reason I say it's coming, fuel has leaked through these here, and this side. What they tend to do is the rail pressure sensors, this is the smaller one, not the bigger one, tend to leak. And when they leak, with wind and the drive and whatnot, kind of pushes the fuel into these wiring loom in here, and then pushes it in through this way and through the pins, and the pins sends it in here. Now these are filled up with diesel, and I mean it's packed with diesel in there, hence why the code is so constant now. It's probably corroded some of the memory of the car. Reality is, well, this is the funny part. Dealers say it's a you guys problem, which, yeah, I guess so. They will try everything with you, and there isn't something to this day where they will put a recall on there, which I doubt it anyway. What I would recommend is take it off. It literally is a DIY job, honestly. You take this part off here, so here in this corner. Once you've taken it off, before you start giving people the opportunity to work on it, get one of these. Take it off. Spray as in these here, both these, some of the sensors on here. But be careful that the engine's not hot, it's cold, because it will catch fire. This is very sensitive. And also, I have taken these bolts off. It is a bit of a bollock to split it open. I am going to split it open. I am going to spray it in there. And I'm going to open this up if I can in a second and spray the inside. Let it dry. Tomorrow I am going to put it back together. And hopefully it starts. Delete the codes, done, dusted. If it doesn't, there is another alternative. They can fix these. There is some people on eBay, even online, that specialize in Mini and BMW. You send them this, as is like this, they will repair it, send it back to you for around about £200 to £300 to £400, around this sort of figure. You then get them part back, this one here, issue, put it back in, clear the codes, runs and drives as it should. But yes, they are common for this issue, guys. And I thought I'd share it with you all so you know. So we have taken the ECU off. It was a bit of a bollock, so the screws, and then we've used the hairdryer as well as these flat heads here to get into it, but you don't want to go too much where you'll damage all these pins. So you do it a step at a time. Hairdryer and this Stanley knife here. It's come out about this much, so when we do go in, as you can see, it's like that. It does come off. Not the easiest thing, but yep. But you guys can actually see that is all literally in there. It's all diesel, and I can smell it very bad. And if I do this, I'm going to see if it does drip out. Oh, there we are. There's diesel. Happy days. This is the reason, there we are, that the car was throwing all these warnings, and dealer hasn't put a recall on them. So don't ask me why, but it's common as hell.